Hello and welcome to E-MultiSkills video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will see how to configure the passwordless authentication using MySQL Config Editor. So first of all, if I try to log in to MySQL using the MySQL-u and the username and password, so I will be putting in the password. Password is MySQL 123. So I'm able to log in. So I just don't want to take all this pain. I just wanted to write MySQL-u root-p, and then I don't want to expose the password if I have to copy and paste. Just I wanted to remove everything, and I wanted to put the password in an encrypted file. So what I'm going to do for this, there is a utility which is provided. The utility name is MySQL underscore config underscore editor. If I just execute this executable and I just say MySQL underscore config underscore editor print hyphen all, I'll be able to see what is the current configuration. So I need to go to the executable location if the environment is not properly set. So let me show you the location. So when I've executed MySQL underscore config underscore editor print hyphen all, it has not displayed anything. That means at this point of time, there is no configuration file which is existing. So just to configure that, what I'm going to say is MySQL underscore config underscore editor set, and then I have to give the hyphen login path, and I have to give a name. This is going to be a unique name, E-MultiSkills underscore MySQL underscore root. You can give it according to the nomenclature which you are following. Hyphen host equal to localhost. The user is root, and then it will prompt for the password. So let me execute this command so that it is going to create an encrypted file, which is .mylogin underscore conf. So when I execute this, this will prompt for the password, and I need to put in the root password. So this is done. So if I simply say now MySQL config editor underscore all, this will display what is the current configuration which is set. So let me copy and paste it again. So MySQL underscore config underscore editor print hyphen all. This will show that a login path has been created with E-MultiSkills underscore MySQL underscore root. User is root. Password is equal to in the encrypted format, and host is localhost. So what I'm going to do is now I'll try to log in using this. So the command to log in using the login path is I simply say MySQL hyphen login hyphen path equal to E-MultiSkills underscore MySQL underscore root. So this will allow me to directly log into the MySQL prompt. So you can see I'm logged into the MySQL prompt. If I say show databases, I'll be able to see that. You can see I'm able to log in. So instead of doing that MySQL-u, then giving the root, then a -p, and then it will prompt for the password. So simply I can use MySQL underscore config underscore editor, and to log in it with that, I'll simply say MySQL underscore config underscore editor, and then hyphen login hyphen path, and the file which I have created, the name which is displayed. So how it is going to actually work is there is a file mylogin.conf, and it creates a binary file, and if you go to this location you will be able to see it. And so it is an AppData and MySQL, and this is the configuration file .mylogin.conf. So what I'm going to do next is I have displayed the properties of that. Now I'm going to remove it. So just to remove it, MySQL config editor remove, and then I have to give the name. So I will say MySQL underscore config underscore editor remove, then login path name, and it is gone. If I say MySQL underscore config underscore editor print hyphen hyphen all, and since this has been removed, it is not going to display anything. It is gone. Now just to configure it, let me show it again quickly. So how do we configure it? So I'll simply have to say MySQL underscore config underscore editor set hyphen hyphen login hyphen path, and then the name I have to give a unique name, then host is localhost, user is root, password. Then you have to feed in the password for one time only. So this is MySQL 123. It is done. Now I'll test how to log in with that. So simply I have to say MySQL hyphen hyphen login hyphen path equal to E-MultiSkills underscore MySQL underscore root. So you can see I'm able to log in. And the cleaning is also very simple. If in case you wanted to clean it or give it some other name, you can do that. And this is very useful when you configure the backup and you don't want to expose the passwords and any kind of activity which you wanted to do. You can just give the login path which you have created, and you don't need to remember it again and again, the password. And sometimes what you do, normally what we do, if it is a very lengthy password, we put it in a file, we do copy paste from there, or there is a lot of security concerns over there. So just to avoid all such things, you remember it for one time, you put it in this login path, and then it's all done. I hope this is going to help. Thanks, and thanks for watching.